Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a PDF download button to your web applications using React.js. So whether you are building an invoice system like the one I'm using for this particular video, or you just want to implement a download button in your website where users can be able to download files or maybe your resume from your portfolio, then this video is for you. So first off, we are going to install some packages, and just open your terminal, then install these packages I'm going to show you now. So we are going to install HTML npm install html canvas and jsPDF. So install these two packages. I've already installed them, so you do that, then you get back to the video. So I'll have this here. Now let's import the installed packages if you've installed yours. We are going to be using a hook called useRef. So we import that from React, and we're going to use it to map out the particular section of the HTML, that this JSX file. Now we're going to map out the particular section we want to download as a PDF, because when you're looking at this page, for instance, we are not going to download everything. The only important things that we're going to download here is this particular section, which holds the items, the total amount, and the details of the sender and the customer, also the details of the invoice. So that is the only thing that you're going to download. So for my own case, I think this is this particular section. Yeah, then just write the download section. So this is where we are going to use for our example, for our own case, I mean. So the next part is to import, also to make use of the useRef that we've imported. Yeah, so we're going to make use of this like this. Then next part is to point it to where we want it to be. So here we can go down here, ref. So we are pointing it to this particular section, just like I said in the beginning, that this is where we want to, this is what we want to download. We're not going to download everything in the page, just want to download this particular section. So that's why we are pointing the ref to this, to only this section. Then the next part is to create a function that is going to handle the downloading. Now let's const next, then let's just call the function immediately and click whenever the user clicks the download button, and let this function run. So Now we are going to write some functions. Const input this is pointing to the DOM element and assigning this to it. That's the only thing that it does. Just assigning this input. You can use anything you like, but I'm using input here and it's assigning it to this. That is just saying that the input is now this. Okay, so the next thing we are going to have is HTML. It requires the input, this scaling of the document, then it returns an object. We'll call it canvas. What is the problem here? Okay. Yeah, so the HTML2 canvas takes the snapshot of the document element. That is, the document element I mean here now is this. So and proceed. Const img data. So this section converts the image to converts the document. Converts the document to image, to a PNG format as a PNG image. That is what this particular section does, and we store it in this variable, which is the img data. Here we are creating a new PDF document using the jsPDF. The P stands for portrait, since it's going to be on a portrait. Then the mm is a millimeter unit. Then this is just A4. Const img props is equals to pdf dot get image properties. So here we are using the get image properties to get the properties of this image, the canvas, that's the properties of this document that has been converted to an image. We are using this pdf.get image properties to get the properties of that particular document, which is an image now. So this, what we just have here is just getting the document and getting the width and the height, just calculating the size, the height, the appropriate height for the PDF to keep the image at its original aspect ratio, scaled to fit the page. Okay, so that's just what we have here. And the last part, the PDF dot add image img data type of a png 00. This is just the positioning. Then PDF width, PDF height, then PDF dot save invoice, yeah. So mistake here, this is supposed to be like this. Yes, so this is just going to be the name. I'm going to just save in the name. Then this is the invoice itself, then saving it as a PDF. So yeah, I think that is it. Let's see if it works. So let's select this, and yeah, it's coming up.